Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce WF-7840. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Select Wi-Fi icon from the screen, network connection settings. Select connection method, then select router or Wi-Fi direct. So select router. Connect via wireless router. The connection method when a Wi-Fi router is available at home or office. Then select Start Setup. Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or Push Button Setup WPS or others. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Searching for a wireless router. You find the wireless router, then you select particular one, then select Enter Password. When you select enter password, it will bring out keyboard for you to enter the details. So I have the Wi-Fi password here. So I'm going to put the details. Once you put the information, then select OK. Then select Start Setup. Then it will show you connecting to wireless router. Connecting to wireless router, network SSID. Setup complete. And if you look on the router, it will show you you can register to Epson Connect from Epson Connect service. Yes or no, remind me later. Customer research, reject. So this is how to connect this to a network. Now, if you want to add this printer to your computer, I want to show you the full setup guide, how to do this. You need to go to Epson website in your region. So we're going to go to epson.co.uk. So go to epson.co.uk, any of the region you reside, select support, scroll down and search the product by name or serial number. So this printer is Epson Workforce. So Workforce WF-7840. Select on it, then scroll down, then select Epson Product Setup. Epson Product Setup contains everything you need to use your Epson product. Please note, to use this software, your computer must have internet access. So select Download. Go on the top, on the right side, open the file. Select the file to open. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Epson Web Installer Setup. Then you select Yes. Updating. And also, if you look on the top, it will show you Windows 11 dictated. So if you are using different operating system, then you scroll from the top to select the operating system. Then it will show you pre-setup preparation. Before you begin product setup, click Open. Then switch location on. So the location is on. Then you select Next. Click Next to begin product setup. Epson. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Then you select OK. Licensing agreement. Select Accept. Select Yes. Allow collection of software usage information. Allow collection of product usage information is not compulsory. Then you select Next. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Make sure the printer is turned on. Then you select Next. Downloading the required software. So licensing agreement is done. Select option is done. So it's downloading the scanner driver. Downloading fast utility. Installing scanner driver. Installing fast utility. Then checking the environment. So the product is found. Click here if the product is already connected to the network. So you found the product, then you select next. Setup is in progress. Please wait. Please wait. Setup is in progress. Then select the software to install. Required software, scanner utilities, manual, Epson Photo Plus, Epson Scan Smart, software updater, support utilities. I'm going to remove the manual. I don't need the manual. Then select install. Epson Photo Plus install now. So it's downloading. Epson Photo Plus scanner utility. Installing Epson Photo Plus. Installing Epson Scan Smart. Checking ink initialization status. Checking the fireware. Fireware update. I'm going to skip fireware update. Print a test page. Select print test page. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Epson Connect solution. Go mobile, print your photos and documents using your smartphone, tablet, or mobile computer from your couch, the office, or from across the world. Please visit local Epson website. Showing us the ink is running low. So I'm going to select Remind Me Later. Then select Next. It's checking the system. Then you select your country, United Kingdom, or select your country. Select OK for your country. Online product registration. I'm going to skip registration. Discover ready print. Then select Next. Setup complete. Your product is ready to use. Then select Finish. We show you the printer. Then you close this page. So this is how to connect the printer to your computer from Epson website, the full setup guide. If you want to scan document to the computer, select Scan. Then select Computer. Install Epson Scan. Then select OK. Then select Computer. Computer name is available. So it will show USB or the laptop. Then you select Laptop. Then select Scan. Start. So this document, you can preview the document on computer. Once you put the document you want to scan, and also this is the document on the computer to show you that the printer is working. This is the page. Before you do this, you need to put the document you want to scan. But this is to show you that the printer is working. We are currently scanning to the computer. That's completed. And this is the document we scanned to the computer. So this is how to connect the printer to computer. The full setup guide, print out document, and also scan document to computer. Thank you very much indeed.